this is Smriti. So, last few days have been really hectic in my life. I was occupied in so many different things. I planned to give myself this break for 2 days. I planned my staycation in a five-star hotel, Trident in Gurgaon, and I have been wanting to visit this five-star hotel from a very long time. And today it has been possible, and the property is so beautiful. Room is so beautiful, and I'm really happy to show you my room tour as well as whatever I'll be doing here. So this is going to be a casual vlog that I will be posting on my channel. But let me tell you something, I already booked this hotel like 3 days back, and today I got a sore throat, so I'm not able to speak properly. But still here I am. I'm going to enjoy my time here as well as shoot some content for my YouTube and Instagram and work here. And this is a sort of staycation, so I'll be working also, I'll be relaxing, enjoying everything here. People think that being rich or being successful only means that you stay in five-star hotels, you travel all the time, but the reality is not like that. We have to work a lot to reach and afford this lifestyle. There are days when you don't want to work, but still you have to work because you have to keep yourself consistent with the kind of lifestyle upgrade that you have. Instead of working like 8 to 9 hours for somebody else, I chose to work those hours for myself, and it is so very well rewarding. And when I enjoy things like this in my life, I feel so happy for everything I have achieved in my 20s. So let's move on to my room tour, and I'm gonna show you the entire. Here is my room, and this is so beautiful, and this room is really huge. So here you can see. Wow, I love five-star beds, and these are so comfy. I feel like sleeping all the day here. And this is the mirror over here where I have been recording. And let me show you a few more things in the room. This is a decor piece, and here you can see my name, dear Miss Mishra. Five stars have such an amazing hospitality. I always feel so happy to be here in Indian five stars. So apart from the room, I'm gonna show you, this is the mini fridge area. This is called as mini bar, and you can see everything is here. There are chocolates, cold drinks, and there is liquor as well. I don't drink. This is tea coffee area. All this is free and complimentary along with the room. And let me show you a few more things, but before that let me show you the view. This is my room, and this is the view. This is garden view room. I have been like wanting to visit this five star from a very long time, and today I am here and I'm really excited for this. Now let me show you a few more things. So here is my wardrobe area. I have kept my luggage over here. Not gonna show you everything. And here is the washroom area. I booked this room because I wanted to enjoy my quality time here in the bathtub. I was really excited about this one. And in five stars, when you visit five stars, they give you daily necessity things like toothbrushes, comb, and all of that for free. So here are all those things. So this is my full room tour of Trident Gurgaon. I'll be staying in this room for 2 days, and I will also show you many things from the property because I'm going to explore the property as well. This is a resort property, so there are so many things to explore here, and the most exciting part is their swimming pool. And when I'm going there, I'm taking you guys along with me, and I'm going to show you everything. May I place on the table? I got super hungry by the evening, so I ordered these kebabs and then fried rice. I'm gonna have it. It is almost 6:30 p.m. right now, and you can see on my dashboard I've already made 167 US dollars until now. I have some client calls already scheduled for today. Apart from that, I have 2 meetings with my team students who have taken my one-on-one mentorship. So I'll be doing that. I absolutely love this thing about my life, that I can create money from literally anywhere. I booked this hotel for staycation, and I enjoyed my time here, had my lunch, and made some money. Also have like some other plans for tonight. So whenever, even if I book any five-star property for leisure purpose, I make sure that I shoot some content here. Like I am making this vlog right now for my YouTube channel. Also, I'm gonna shoot some reels, YouTube shorts, and all of that. I make sure that I am creating content because my content makes me a lot of money, and my content is the reason why I am able to afford this kind of lifestyle. So this gives me a feeling that this is not just an expense for me but also an investment, because I'm staying here enjoying my time as well as shooting content for making money. Hi guys, good morning. Today is day 2 here in Trident Hotel, and yesterday I had plans to go for dinner but I couldn't go because I felt seriously sick. So I had dinner in my room only from in-house dining, and right now it's already 10:20 a.m. and breakfast is until 10:30 a.m. and I'm gonna rush to the breakfast and then let's see what's the plan for the day. Yesterday ended up being a $422 day, and it was just amazing. This is the best feeling that even if I am not working actively, I'm able to create such huge amounts because of my digital product business that runs on automation in the background. So I keep on making money. Hi guys, I got ready and I'm gonna shoot some content here in the property. By now, this is like 1 p.m. right now, and my voice is completely gone. I got sick yesterday, so couldn't do a lot of things yesterday, and thought of like shooting some content today. So I'm gonna just show you the property view, as you can see behind me, and it is really beautiful. Now I'm gonna show you the most happening area, which is the pool area here. I really wanted to go to the pool today, but I got sick and I don't think I should take the risk because I'll be completely gone. I will not be able to do anything. So I have just planned that today I'll be shooting content here. Some photos, videos, YouTube vlog, and reels for my Instagram, YouTube shorts, and all of that. And then I'll have lunch and enjoy my day here. As you can see, I have a one-on-one session scheduled today for one of my team members. She is Aparna and she's from Canada. She has joined my mentorship like 3 days back, and today I'm going to be doing a one-on-one session for her, and I'm going to give her the exact roadmap that has made me a lot of money that can help her grow in her life. So let me just give you my example. When I started my journey in the content creation field, I never liked filming content. I came out of my comfort zone and I started doing it because that content was making me money and I wanted to do something for myself apart from a 9 to 5 job. So that is how I started my journey, and I started doing something that I never liked doing. Today, I really enjoy making content, even though I'm sick today, but still I'm shooting this vlog because I have learned the right strategies. I know how to batch create content. I will never say that creating content and making money through social media is the easiest thing in the whole world. No, it's not. It takes a lot of effort to produce content and make money through it. I chose a life of complete freedom. That is why I do what I am doing today. And digital products have made it super easy for me because digital products are something that you can create online, like ebooks, courses, PDFs, consultations, one-on-one guidance, mentorships, all these things you can create once and you can resell it multiple times. But when it comes to an offline business, it is much tough than an online business. If you're somebody scared to invest like $400 $500 in a course, let me tell you one thing. You are starting an online business with like $500 $600 and you're making at least more than $10,000 every single month. It is worth it. You start getting profits from the very first month itself. But when you do an offline business, it requires a lot of capital. You cannot start any offline business with $500 or $600, and it takes a lot of time to recover that amount first and then start generating profit. Here in online businesses, you start making profit from the very first month. That is why world is shifting towards online ways of making money, and digital products can come to your rescue just like it has come to mine. Being from a simple middle class family, having a dream of becoming a doctor and not being able to achieve it, then making my way out and making at least more than $10,000 $12,000 every single month, I have learned a lot of things. And if you are somebody who wants to learn it all, I am here to help you, guide you at every step. I have mentioned the complete details in the caption of this video, how you can connect with me one-on-one. So don't forget to look out for the details. So it is 4:53 p.m. right now on 22nd of June, and here you can see I have already made $1,266 until now with the help of my digital products business, and that's the best thing I love about my work. I was enjoying my time here, as well as I worked for like literally only and only for 1 hour. I sat down to work, replied to so many client calls and all of that, and have already made $1,266 until now. And this kind of freedom I love in my life. So this is the most expensive outfit I got from Ted Baker like 2 years back when I went to my Singapore trip, and this is the second time I'm wearing it. I've been wanting to wear it from a very long time, but I couldn't get any place to sort of wear it. So today I am here in 5 stars, so thought why not wear it. Today is the checkout day from this hotel, and I'm gonna show you how much I have made yesterday through my digital products business. As you can see here, on 22nd of June, I have made $1,529. Here you can see I've made such a huge amount in a single day yesterday. Even when traveling, even when enjoying my time here in a resort property, my digital products business made me $1,529 in just a single day. So even though I felt badly sick when I came here to actually enjoy my time, still my work didn't stop, my earning didn't stop, my enjoyment didn't stop. I enjoyed a lot here. So this is for every girl who feels that she's underconfident, she has no confidence that she can do something big in her life. Let me tell you, I never thought that I'll get something like this in my life ever. I never thought that my life will take such a turn and I will be able to achieve and afford such things in my 20s only. So if you feel underconfident, I totally get you. Even I started my journey just like you are, and I achieved this much just because I stayed confident. I kept following the process, I kept going, I kept being consistent, I didn't stop, I never gave up, and that is why I am here today. So all it takes is just one single step. That is the first step of starting something new in your life. Once you start doing it, building it, you will be able to achieve that success in your life. And let me tell you, life is so much easier when you make money being a girl, because you are able to do everything on your own. You don't need to depend upon your parents or your spouse. Nobody. You have your money, you have your freedom, you enjoy your life, and that's all we need in our life, right? So when I had to start my digital products journey, all my friends who were there in my life, like my college friends and school friends, they
they literally mocked me by saying that this is not a real income source. You're not going to do something big with this way of making money. Just start doing a job, apply for a job, or you will end up losing years in your life and you will regret later. But I listened to nobody because I didn't want to do a job. I didn't want to go and follow that traditional path. I wanted to build something of my own. I started my journey being alone. I completely was alone and I kept on going through this path. I followed my mentors, and that is why today I am here. So if you have people in your life who are telling you that don't do this, don't do that, this is scam, that is scam, just don't listen to anybody. Listen to your, if you want to do it, if you want to change your life, if you feel that this particular work is for you, start doing it from today, because only you can take your life changing decisions and nobody else for you. I hope that you have enjoyed my vlog and got some inspiration, as well as saw a sneak peek into my life, like kind of life that I live. I'll see you in the next video. Go and subscribe to my channel and comment down below if you want to see more such raw vlogs on my YouTube channel. Bye.